What's up with the YouTube? Hey, today we back and we gonna do a little something different. We gonna do a little review on these guns, boy. We're gonna do a little gun review today. You know what I'm saying? I got you this Ruger. You know what I'm saying? I got the Ruger Charger with your boy. We can go ahead and check this out because a lot of people, when I talk about this, they don't know what I'm talking about. They're like, what's a Ruger Charger? What's that? So today we about to get into it. I'm about to break it down for y'all, show y'all what it comes with, what y'all might need if you buy it, etc. You know what I mean? Let's get into it. Let's put this box. Put you right there. Put this box right there. All right, let's get into it. First off, safety first. She's empty. No magazine. Point in safe direction and shoot. Yeehaw, motherfuckers. Alright, she is empty. Let's get that out the way. You gonna have a threaded barrel that comes with it for your suppressors, your attachments, whatever you're trying to put on it. You're gonna have your charging handle. It goes on both sides. It's ambi. It is ambi. See? So unscrew it, throw it in there. Simple. Simple. I did say it's set up for Glock and Colt. It comes factory Glock. It comes also a Colt adapter. And then it comes with the tools you need with it. It comes with that in the box already. From the get. I ain't really use Colt too much. I do have a Colt magazine. Let me grab that. Just to show y'all, it's empty. Throw this bad boy up in here. Boom. You know what I mean? Locked in. You don't have to install this if you prefer the Colt mags, you know? But right now it's set up for Glock. That's how it comes. It comes straight up just Glock. You know what I mean? And let me show you how that. My Glock mag. Ain't nothing in there. Nothing in my Glock mag. A little flush a little bit with it, you know what I mean? And you know, it'll say real nice. It takes drums, it takes the whole thing, or anything Glock or Colt, you know. You know, press right here. So take out. So you take that thing out. This baby gonna come blind though. She ain't gonna have no sights. She's gonna come straight blind. Gonna have this what do they call it? Penny tail back there, and it'll come off if you want to take it off. All you gotta do is unscrew right here. But honestly, I think it look better with it on. And it's a lot more convenient. You can go ahead and throw like a little pistol brace on there. You could go stock. You got SBR. You know, it's just more convenient. Why take that stuff off? That's stupid. Do that. Why would you take it off? And then you got a little hand stopper right here. Don't confuse this as a grip. It is not a grip. I've seen some people trying to shoot it like this. It is not a grip. You're gonna get shot in your hand. You're gonna shoot your hand, bro. Don't do that. Do not do that. And then takedown is real easy. You see, there's a button right here. Press that mug in. I'll take it out for y'all real quick. Gotta pull it back. Yeah, pull the charger handle back. Come straight out. Super easy takedown. Look at that. It is super easy, bro. Just put that baby back in. Find a little twist. Bow. Safe direction. You know what I mean? Oh, it's on safety. We're gonna get there next. Safety's right here. And safety is first. You feel me? That's why, you know what I'm saying? It's always on safety. It's just the press of a button. Boom. Safety super simple. And this thing is locked in, bro. It's not turning. You have to pull this forward and you break her down. You feel me? Super easy. Me personally, I have other CCs, pistol caliber carbines. This is not my favorite. This is not my favorite, bro. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. This thing shoots well, bro, but it don't come with no sights. No sights at all, bro. It's gonna come blind. Straight blind. Look at that. Blind. That's crazy, you know? Because Ruger normally do good, man. And they got this in a 22 as well. I'm not a fan of 22. I ain't got no 22s. No, sir. No, sirree, Bob. And speaking about the Colt mags, man. These things run pretty good, man, but it's just something about them Glock mags. It's just way more easier to grab, you know. I'd rather have a Glock mag than a Colt mag. That's just my opinion. But it does come both. This comes with this. You don't have to buy this. It comes with this. And the tools you need to go ahead and install it in here. You actually open it up and drop it in and install it. But yeah, I mean, I hope this was helpful, man. Hope this was helpful. Hope y'all got some good opinions, what y'all needed from me. If y'all got any questions, let me know below, man. It's pretty much a real simple, what you see is what you get type of gun, you feel me? Till next time, man, y'all have a good one.